and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm going to share with you a review of some liquid highlighters from the drugstore. If you guys have been with me for a while, y'all know that I love my drugstore makeup, right? Mom on a budget, right? We can all, you know. Yeah, anyways, moving on. I was recently sent these Kokie Cosmetics liquid highlighters from them because I can't get Kokie Cosmetics here in Hawaii. So they were kind enough to send these highlighters to me. They were very, very, very sweet. And we all know that Kokie Cosmetics it originates in Maryland, and you can purchase it at Walmart, and it's super duper affordable. I've tried a few of their products here on my channel, and I've loved most of the, actually I think there's only like one or two things I wasn't a big fan of, but most of the things I really, really, really enjoyed. And you guys know I love my highlight, so when I got these I was so excited. I have a bunch of liquid highlighters from other brands, and I like them, but I want to give these a go as well. So they come in 3 shades right here. They have the shades Afterglow, which is going to be more of a rose gold, really good for deep skin tones. And then there's going to be Shine On, which is more of like a champagne gold. And then this one is going to be more, this one is a Superstar for the fair skin, and this is going to be more of that true like champagne, yeah, champagne shade. So none of these are like that celestial shade or anything like that. These are all in the gold family, which is really good for highlighting purposes. So each of these comes with 0.44 fluid ounces, 13 milliliters, so it's a pretty good amount, and they are $7 as I mentioned. I'm going to be demoing them for you today. I'm using a brush and a sponge. I have been testing these out, and I can really say hands down that I love them. They are my favorite, but you're going to see that a little bit further in the video. But I just want to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. You guys can see them up close and personal. So I'm going to be swatching from lightest to deepest. Boop. Oh yeah. This one right here, Shine On. That one is so pretty. Super duper pretty. The one that's been really good for those medium to deep skin toned gals. So this was probably gonna be strictly for my freelancing kit, because it's gonna be, for like how I like to highlight, it's too dark for me. But there is the third one. Look how blinding these are, you guys. So stunning. What I do like about these though is that they are buildable. They aren't going to be the instant like impact like that was a lot of product. These are buildable. So basically, you know, even if you're not a big fan of highlighters, you're gonna like these because they can be really sheer, or they can be like super high shine impact, and I really appreciated it. Show you one way with a sponge and then the other way with a brush. But there is the first one, like it is beaming, and these are supposed to be buildable, so they're not going to be immediate impact like the Cover FX ones. These are supposed to be buildable, which I appreciate because I have been really enjoying like cream and liquid. So building it out, see, it's still like super, you know, highlighty, but it's not over the top. And then you can of course take a sponge and you can build it up more, get more coverage. So what's really cool about that too is if you want to take it on your chin, you have a softer highlight down here and just do like one layer, and then you can have a more blinged one on your cheek. So the one I just showed you is a Superstar, which is the very fair one, and I'm going to show you the more goldy one, which is the one that I use the most. I'm going to use a brush on this side, first my finger, apply it there, and then I'm just going to take a little dual fiber brush and work it into my skin. Take it up here and blend that out a little too much. And then take it down here as well, so you can see what that one looks like. And then that is the more gold one with a brush. I prefer the gold one like for my skin tone because I am quite tan right now, but I just want to show it to you so you can see what it looks like on my skin tone. But this is what the highlighters look like. I think they are just so pretty, and they are so incredibly affordable, and they don't break up my foundation. So I really like the the Makeup Revolution ones, but I noticed started to like break up my foundation, and these ones don't. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you different ways that you can use this as well. So you can of course do the standard, you know, highlight, you know, a little bit of glow. I'm gonna go ahead and take the lighter one, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. I am going to take a kind of just precise brush here, just put the tip in it. And then I'm just going to go down the very center of my nose, then blend that out. So I like putting it on my nose. It's just such a pretty color. And I like using the lighter one, and then you can take a little bit more on a precise brush and hit the Cupid's bow. Now, the reason I'm showing you all these places is if you're someone who likes a highlight, but you have texture on your skin, right? So powder highlights are going to tend to, you know, accentuate that, and it's going to be more noticeable. But if you use a cream or a liquid like these, especially these ones are very nice. They don't break up your foundation. And then you go over with a powder. So let me grab a powder. So make sure there's no creases in this. So I'm going to show you that these are going to just show up really nicely underneath the powder, and it's not going to cover it up. Because a lot of times, like, you'll put a liquid on and then put powder over top, and then you just can't see your highlight at all. So I am going to take some powder, and I'm going to set my under eye first. Then I'm going to go right over top here. And you see, you still have the glow there. Did your show stop playing? Do you need me to press it on again?
But it's still on.
Oh, well, what are you doing up here? Okay, so I went ahead and I set all the areas I highlighted, and now you have a very healthy looking glow without emphasizing texture or anything like that. And these highlighters are just so beautiful with that without being too overpowering. Like the Cover FX ones don't break up my foundation, but they're so strong, and sometimes I just want a healthy glow. You see what I'm saying? So they're so beautiful. I want to just take a minute and share them with you guys. They are $7 a piece, and I'm obsessed with them, and I also want to thank them for sending them to me. But yeah, so just look how healthy of a glow these liquid highlighters give you. Beautiful. Just, I'm obsessed with these. They are my favorite ones. I have like 4 different brands of liquid highlighters. These are by far my favorite and the cheapest, so I highly recommend you check them out. You can get them at Walmart or wherever. But yeah, I'm just so in love with them. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's super short and sweet, but I really want to just do short reviews like this for you guys. Just showing you some other products that are out there. You know, highlighting is still a huge thing, and I feel like every company is coming out with liquid highlighters. So I just want to show you a super affordable option. These are by far my favorite ones and the least expensive ones that I have tried to date. So I will leave a link to these down below if you don't have a Walmart near you that carries these. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, I hope you want to stick around by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure to hit the little bell next to it so you are notified every single time I upload a video. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.